Now in an earlier video we saw that when we create a drill through page, we're automatically given a back button, so we can go back to the original page we came from. And the back button looks the default little black arrow sitting in a circle pointing to the left. But at any stage you can actually make your own buttons, more customized and more interesting. So I'm going to actually select this page, Sales by Region, and I'm actually going to delete this back button and put something else in its place, just by hitting the delete key, and it's gone. I might move this table down a little bit just to make some more space. And what I'm going to do is click the report canvas, and if I go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, there's actually a button here called Image, and I'm going to insert an image of my own. I've created on the desktop a folder, and in it I've made a back button picture. So I'm going to open up this back button picture. I'll resize it so it's not so large, but it's a little bit more interesting than the former back button. Now once you've inserted your picture, you can go to your Format task pane, and you can choose the action and set it to on. Having set the action to on, I can then expand this chevron and I can choose the type of action. It's actually defaulted to back, which is fine because that'll take me back to the page in which I came from. So if I now want to test this button, I simply rest on it and it says hold the control key and click to go back. So control click and I've gone back to the sales by country. If I right click say Germany and I choose drill through sales by region to my drill page, I can then hold the control key and click my customize back button to go back. So you can create a number of customized buttons just by inserting images, and on the format pane you basically set the action to on and then choose the action that you'd like that button to perform.